Hey guys, I don't know if you've ever run across this problem. I know I have. Most of the installers and people that work with the product know when they see the electric strikes that there's wire inside. And normally they unbolt the mullion, take it down part ways, pull out the cable and unplug a trailer plug or some kind of plug. But someone not knowing that that wire is in there will undo the post, and being the post is about 30 pounds, they pick it up and they heft it away, and what that does, it just rips the wires completely out. So then you end up calling service to repair that damage. Post Latch has come out with a solution. It's a simple solution, and what it is, it's a simple plug. Now this plug works like this. This upper one, the female, goes up inside the upper hardware, and the male with the blades is installed in the upper part of the mullion, so that when the mullion is brought in its final click, it connects and the power is run down to the strikes. Very simple. Now, Post Latch gives you the option to order the AutoConnect when you order your mullion. What the installer has to do is thread the lead for the upper plug through the latch, make the connection with the wire that's coming down from the header, make the connection, then push all that up inside, lining up the latch as so, getting it ready to put the pin through. Now, sliding that wire up inside, the receiver block, I gotta get it, there it is, will sit in the prepared slot in the back of the housing. When you get the mullion and the hardware, this slot is just a serration. You take a crescent wrench and break that little tab out, clean the ragged corner, and then the female sits in there just like that, and then you put the pin through, and that one pin holds the latch and the plug completely in place, perfectly aligned. So now the upper part is all done. The male will come to you already installed in the mullion. So once you cut the mullion to length, the plug will automatically connect like so. Now, this system, we tested it here. It was connecting perfectly, 111 connections. That would equate to 3 times a day for the next 100 years. I'd say that was a successful connection. Wouldn't you? Thanks for watching. Take care.